Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Aleiah. You should definitely hit the subscribe button and become a member of the royal family because I am the queen, obviously. No, I'm just kidding. But anyway, today we are going to be doing a full glam makeup tutorial. Something that I would wear to school dances, photo shoots, on stage, anything like that. This was requested by somebody on TikTok. I forgot who it was because it was a minute ago. Sorry about that. But without further ado, let's just do it. Okay, so first I'm going to tie my hair back, and I'm going to look like a little boy for a couple minutes, but it's fine. I'm literally about to look like a little boy. I'm just playing. Okay, anyways, so this is what I start off with. I have like this like giant makeup book thing. In this thing, there's actually a the 4 corrective concealers. So when I'm gonna do a full glam makeup look, this is what I usually start out with because this just makes all your imperfections go away. So, where did my sponge go? Here it is. Okay. So I'm going to take my beauty blender. Set that down for a second. Okay, so first, purple neutralizes yellow. I don't really have much yellow. I mean, my skin tone's already kind of yellowy anyway, so it really doesn't matter. So I don't use the purple. But I do use the orange. It cancels like blue and dark circles, so I just use that right under my eyes, just a little bit. Get it with your hand first. Just a little bit goes a long way. And I kind of put it on my eyelids too because they get dark from like eyeliner and everything. And then I'm just gonna blend that in. My face looks so stupid when I blend, so I'm so sorry. Also, I should probably grab my mini mirror. Like, that would be a good idea so I could like see something. Anyways, so yeah, so I'm just gonna blend that shit.
What do I have to say to keep you by my side? How to start in a liquefy. Need you here to tell me that I'll be okay. Maybe 1, loving 2, and now it's 3.
Alrighty, so that's done. I don't really have bad dark circles. I mean, I have them, but they're not like super horrible looking, so I don't really need a lot of it. But if you do have super crazy dark circles, I would actually suggest getting like, you don't have to get like something like this, but just like something that has these colors in it because these are like actually lifesavers. So now I'm gonna go in with green on all the places that I'm red because science. That color cancels the other color out. It makes sense. So I'm gonna do that.
3 a.m. thinking, what if it's you and me? At the end, that maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning.
Okay, so as you can see, I had like a red spot like right here, and it is gone now. So this stuff really does work, and it's really good for when you're trying to just get like a flat, like no blemish, like kind of like, I don't know how to talk. It's really helpful when you want like a nice, just fresh face, when you want a nice base. So we're just going to move on actually to foundation. I also just wanted to do a quick disclaimer and say that I am by no means a makeup guru or an MUA. This is just how I do my full glam makeup. You guys have seen it in photo shoots and on TikTok and for my like graduation and stuff. Because I've already filmed a everyday makeup routine. So some of you guys wanted the full glam one, so I was like, might as well give them what they want. Yo, anyways, so now I'm just going to put that foundation all over my face. I'm not gonna lie, this color is a bit dark on me, but it like blends actually really well after a minute, so it might look like I'm going crazy. I promise I'm not. I like promise you that. That's a lot on my nose. It's like a Squidward whole moment. Yeah. And now I'm just gonna blend all over my face, so I'll be right back. Okay, so now my foundation is done. I'm also using the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, so just in case anyone was wondering, that's the foundation that I use. And then I also use that same concealer. So I'm actually gonna go in first and go on like my blemishes that are still showing, any like acne scars, scabs, anything like that, before I actually do like the highlight of concealer. See, like there's like all kinds right here, right here. Okay, so I'm gonna do all my blemishes first, and then I will do just your regular everyday concealer. Now I'm just gonna do like the whole this thing. I do like the Adidas. Is that the Adidas? I think that's the Adidas logo. And then an exclamation point. A little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit like so. Beautiful, darlings, beautiful.
Morning, I know that you're coming back home. Having my own conversations. Hoping you will come and save me. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I hope that you're coming back home.
As I previously stated, I am not a makeup artist, so don't judge me for the way that I do this. But anyways, so yeah, this is like kind of the finished base. So right now I'm actually going to grab this eyeshadow primer. It's by Hard Candy. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this eyeshadow primer. The littlest bit does go a long way, just so y'all know. And I'm just gonna put that all over the lid, so that way when I put on the eye makeup, it will stick. Okay, so y'all, so now that all of the foundation and concealer is on, I'm now actually gonna set that concealer real quick. I have this Profusion contour palette, and it has these brightening powders. So I'm just going to take my beauty sponge and dip it in, and just put that powder kind of wherever I had the concealer, just for some extra brightening. I think that's what it does, at least on my face. So I'm gonna put that on for just a second. I don't really, I mean, people like bake their concealer, but I actually don't do that. I just throw this like brightening powder on it and then call it a day. Call it a day. So on that setting there, I am going to actually get my other powder ready. This one's just a loose finishing powder. It's still the Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm just gonna use this and put it all over my face.
Look at you, eyes as soft as that ocean blue. Falling in, learn to swim like I never knew. I see it now, that everything will be okay. With no small doses, smell.
Alrighty, y'all, so now I am all nice and powdered up, and so is everything that I own down here. No, I'm just kidding. But this is kind of what my face looks like right now. Now I'm just going to do highlight and contour. So again, I'm going to be just taking this Profusion contour palette, and I'm going to take this rounded kabuki brush this time. And I'm just gonna dip into the dark powder and then just create the contour line right under my cheekbones.
Roses, can't get enough of you. Can't wait to love on you. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home.
It's cold. It's cold in this house. Alrighty, y'all. So I have contoured a little bit, just a little bit. I don't like a heavy. Oh, it's cold in this house. I don't like a heavy contour. I prefer a nice subtle one. So I did a nice subtle one. And now I am just going to do some highlighter from, again, the same Profusion palette. I'm going to do this light, kind of, I don't know, silvery one, I guess. Boom, sister. Boom, sister.
Having my own conversations.
I love this highlight. It's like one of the best highlights. Okay, so now I'm basically done with my face. I actually just have to do blush still, so we are going to do that. I don't have a good blush right now because I am moving away to college and I haven't been able to buy anything. So yeah, as I was saying, I don't really have a good blush right now, so I'm actually just gonna be using this palette that I'll be using later on my eyes as well. And I'm just going to take this here kabuki brush. It's not really a kabuki brush. I don't know what kind of brush this is, to be honest with y'all. And to just give my face some color, I'm just gonna slightly dip it in this red tone and smile. And now it gives me just a little bit of color on my cheeks. And all of this shit looks so weird on camera, but... And then I do it above the bridge of the nose, as the e-girls have been doing. No, I'm just kidding. On TikTok, I saw that on TikTok actually. That they were doing blush like right here. So like, I'm gonna do the same thing. Because I want to be trendy. Alrighty, y'all. Since the last clip, I have put on a jacket because it is so cold, and I also got a blanket because it is so cold. So now the next thing that we are going to do is my eyes. So first I am going to dip into this Hard Candy Natural Eyes palette thing. And I'm gonna take just this brush right here. I don't know what number or whatever it is, so don't ask. Do not ask. But I'm just gonna take a mixture of this brown and this brown and just put it into my outer corner and crease a little bit.
Hoping you will come and save me. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I hope that you're coming back home. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home.
So as you can see, by doing that, I just kind of got a little bit of depth into this eye that I already have in this eye, so I'm just gonna do the same thing. Alrighty guys, so that's like basically the gist of that. I just mixed those two colors and put them in my outer corner and kind of my crease just a little bit to give the eyeball some depth. And now I'm going to be doing like a pinky look today, I guess you could say. So I'm going to be taking actually just this glitter and just putting that all over like the inner corner and like midway through the eye, so that way we're all nice and glittery. Alrighty guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I also kind of fixed my eyebrows in the middle of like all of it, so I don't really do much with them, so that's kind of up to you. It's your preference, they're your brows, obviously. Alrighty y'all, so this is the finished makeup tutorial. Here's what it looks like up close a little bit. I really hope this was helpful to those of you who asked for it, and if you didn't ask for it, thank you for watching till the end. Go ahead and comment a purple heart if you got this far, so that way I know, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved.
Why does this smell like? Why does it smell like alcohol? Oh, because my dumbass alcoholic friends used it. I need to burp. It's freezing. It's freezing. It's freezing. I have to finish this YouTube video.